Chemistry. I love chemistry. One thing that I love in chemistry is the noble gases, or some might call it as the inert gases. This is because of its electron stability and non-reaction towards other element, or I can say nobility. So the gases that are included in this noble gases team are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Interesting, right? Let's get to know more about them with our second presenter, Alif.
For this part, we will only focus on helium and neon. As we all know, helium and neon are both noble gases that are in group 18, or also known as group 8A of the periodic table. Neon has 8 valence electrons while helium has 2 valence electrons, which means they are in octet and duplet electron arrangement respectively, causing them to be chemically inert, meaning they are excluded from accepting, transferring or sharing electrons between atoms. Helium is a chemical element with the symbol of He and atomic number of 2 and the smallest atom in noble gas group of elements. It's a colorless, odorless, tasteless, non-toxic and inert gas that heads the noble gas series in the periodic table. The atomic and molecular weight of helium is 4.003 AMU. The stability of the elements also causes them to have a low electronegativity and very high ionization energy. This being said, helium has the highest ionization energy of all elements in the periodic table. Helium ions are positively charged particles. They are commonly used in scientific research such as in ion beam lithography and ion implantation, as well as in medical applications like radiation therapy for cancer treatment. It has several industrial and scientific applications, including being used as a coolant in a nuclear reactor and MRI machines. Besides, it is also used in gas welding as it helps to shield the weld from the air and prevent oxidation. Neon, on the other hand, is a chemical element with the symbol of Ne and atomic number of 10. Neon molecular weight is 20.1797 AMU. At standard conditions, neon is a colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Neon has 3 isotopes, 20 Ne, 21 Ne and 22 Ne. Neon molecule can be formed under high pressure and temperature conditions such as in the Earth's mantle or in the outer space. Helium is also often used in balloons as it is much lighter than air that causes them to float. Neon, on the other hand, often used in advertising as it produces a bright distinct orange glow. Other than that, it also used in high voltage indicator where it emits a visible glow when exposed to high voltage. All the gas laws are obeyed very closely by gas including helium and neon at low pressure and high temperature region. In gas mixtures, helium gas and each gas acts independently of the other gas present. With an electronegativity considered to be 0, an atom of helium has no attraction to other helium atoms. Helium atoms are assumed to have no intermolecular attraction. This allows helium to follow the gas laws even at extremely low temperature and high pressure. However, the ideal gas equation cannot accurately predict the behavior of gases at very high or very low pressure, where intermolecular forces become more important. In those cases, more complex equations of states such as van der Waals equation must be used. Helium gas is a hypothetical gas whose pressure, volume and temperature behavior is completely described by the ideal gas equation. Helium molecules are assumed to occupy no space and no attraction for one another. We can conclude that helium and neon has a lot of chemical and physical properties and it can be found in our daily life. Thank you for watching.